This hair, y'all. This hair is everything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today we are going to talk about this hair, honey. This lace wig that is synthetic and that I got on Amazon. So I will leave the link down below for where you can actually purchase this hair, and you have to hurry up and go get it because I literally think when I bought it there was like 2 in stock. But if you like the way this looks and you want to see what I did to get this look, it did not take me a long time at all. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, what lace, and this is Flamboyage Sand. Guys, hurry up and go get this. Run and go get this because I know it's going to be sold out. This hair, this color, I cannot remember her name, but I will put her Instagram and her TikTok down below because that's where I actually found it. And she has a YouTube too. And I was like, oh, I got to try that hair out because I was worried. I'm always worried that it's not going to look right on my skin, and then I always impress myself with the color. So Flamboyage Sand, this is not human hair, this is synthetic, but it's not even shedding. It's not even shedding. Like, this is a go-to wig right now. Like, plus I've been getting, if you haven't noticed, I've been going like lighter and lighter and lighter because eventually I want to get like blonde, like this blonde. I don't know, maybe this one doesn't look bad against my skin. I don't know. I love this though. This looks so good, guys. But like, it even has like the bang. It's curled perfectly. It's not shedding. It is blonde against brown skin, which already looks beautiful, and I love it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Y'all, I was over here jamming to Jasmine Sullivan, but hey guys, so today we are working with a synthetic wig. And we are going to work with from Swiss Lace Cloud 9. This is in the Zaila, and this is Flamboyage Sand, this color. So let's see what this looks like on my skin. So putting this on. Oh, okay. So I think I gotta move my cap back some, but this is what it looks like so far. Okay. I know it's looking crazy right now, but so I'm going to take off this lace and then tack it down like I would normally do. So I'll come back to you when I'm done. This is giving me Farrah Fawcett vibes though. Actually, I'm going to go in with my foundation. You can keep your better. I'm going to make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Okay, now I just cut the lace off, so I hope this fits me. This is on the last, I don't know, it's feeling tight, so I don't know. Oh, it's better. I feel like that lace was making it worse. Okay. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using my viewfinder to see everything. Yo, this hair is giving me Farrah Fawcett. Like, very big. This is gonna be a quick install because it's synthetic and I don't have to do anything to it. Like, I don't have to curl it. I don't have to hot comb it. So once I do this, pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. I'm going to spray even spray. Don't worry if it's looking a little casty. Middle part. Is this 13 by 4? 13 by 6. This is looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So far so good. I love it. It's like nice and big and full. Not done clearly. I have to do my baby hairs, and I kind of want to spray this a little to give me the front flips. Let's see. Let's see what it's stacking like. Okay, so that's good. It's sticking. I probably should have flat ironed it beforehand, but it's okay. For my edges. This smells so good, guys. So that. Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I stole your weekends, no. So you make up shitty. I'm gonna spray this one, like on the hairline, like that, so I can push it back. Bad boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad boy. I'll be right back, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now is just use a paddle brush and brush it out, and you'll be able to see in real time whether or not it's tangly. Not really tangly. Let me just. It looks really good though. Usually synthetic hair, especially, tangles so bad, but this is not really tangling, so I'm kind of feeling that. That's good to know. Oh, you saw that? Did I speak too soon? Did I speak too soon? No, I don't think I did. Oh goodness, it looks so good, y'all. Gonna just hot comb it again. Pathetic, I do. You think you're bad boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad boy, think you're bad boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. Shedding, I'm not really getting too much. This is all I got so far with the brush, with the shedding. Usually synthetic hair sheds like crazy, so I'm surprised this is not shedding. It is tangly though, so to be honest, it does get tangly, and this is not sponsored, so even if it was sponsored, I would still tell you the truth, because I don't want you to buy it and be like, you told me it wasn't. Like, no honey, I told you it was tangly. Y'all, I'm done with this wig. Like, it's finished. Let me just put on my earrings, put on my shirt, and give you my final thoughts. Okay, for that looking like. Okay, so I just need to put concealer on here. Where's my concealer I just bought? I use Juvia's Place. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. To hide my lace even more, I'm going to take this with a dense brush. I'm going to tap it in there and literally melt my lace away. Say you need a little space, yeah, is it cause you can't be faithful? No, it's not real. So you gotta just be careful. Okay, let's see. Ow. That's gonna leave a mark. There you go. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go put on earrings, change my shirt, and I'll be right back. But the color on my skin, yes. All right, so I really love this hair. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure I get like the tangles out. But I think this ends up being like between $50 and $70 for it to look like this blonde color. It looks really good. Like, I can't even complain. Look. For synthetic, I mean, besides this little piece right here, and I think that's because I have too much lace on there. Besides that, this looks incredible. And the blonde against my skin. So yeah, I definitely like this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? All right. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.